So at every Rouse Unplugged, I always do one song, just one song for the. But do you remember how I said there'll be a couple of little surprise acts in the thing? Well, this is one of them, and this is just one song. This is my beautiful daughter Jessica. You'll see her. You'll see Jess has got her own slot in the second half. She's an artist called Serendipity, and she's just fantastic. Seriously good songwriter. And this is a song that I wrote in 1986, long before she was even thought of. And it's called Child of Mother Nature. And this has got a great little chorus, and the chorus goes, oh, always be... Hang on, I'll get it right. Oh, that's it. Oh, God, sorry.
It's 1986, come on.
That's right. Be a child, there we go. Okay, so it's a lovely sing-along that goes, I'll always be a child of Mother Nature, and I'll always be a lover of the land. And that's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Here we go. There was a time in my life I was lying in the gutter. Couldn't find the strength to lift my spirit from the ground. All my hopes are shattered. I was running right on empty. I was looking for a miracle to bring myself around. And I'll always be a child of Mother Nature. That's beautiful. Yes, I'll always be a lover of the land. Oh, that is so good. I fought to fight that feeling, but I felt that I was failing. So I cried out for some healing to see me through the day. I don't quite know the answer, but someone out there heard me. I found that I was coping soon with all that came my way. And I'll always be a child of Mother Nature, yeah, yeah. Yes, I'll always be a lover of the land. Now, I'm not going to do the guitar solo because it's too long. Version. I felt it all around me, and I met so many children who saw the world as beautiful and not an evil place. And in the air was magic, and the trees were full of laughter, and in the smallest creature I saw nature's smiling face. And I'll always be a child, yeah, of Mother Nature. Yes, I'll always be a lover of the land. Beautiful. This earth about so precious, she's always held the answers. And we are all her children, and yet we hurt her so. There is not one amongst us who has not felt her magic. Her lifeblood flows.